Hello South Africa. Nelson Mandela Bridge temporarily closed for maintenance, JMPD. Nelson Mandela Bridge will be a no-go zone for the next 2 days after the Johannesburg Metropolitan Police Department, JMPD, announced the bridge's temporary closure. JMPD spokesperson Zolani Fila cautioned motorists about this planned initiative, which coincides with Mandela Day, an annual global celebration observed to honor the legacy of South Africa's first black president, Nelson Mandela. Motorists are advised to be aware of the planned temporary closure of the Nelson Mandela Bridge in Braamfontein for maintenance purposes by the Johannesburg Roads Agency, JRA, he said. He added that the maintenance and cleaning of the bridge will take place between Tuesday the 18th and Thursday the 20th of July 2023 from 09h00 to 15h00, and this will affect traffic traveling between Braamfontein and Newtown. The bridge will be accessible to pedestrians only during this period, and it will be closed off to vehicular traffic at the following intersections: Bertha Street and Temi Puliso Street and Carr Street. Nelson Mandela Bridge is a bridge in Johannesburg, South Africa. It is the fourth of 5 bridges which cross the railway lines and sidings located just west of Johannesburg Park Station, the first being the Johan Rissik Bridge adjacent to the station. It was completed in 2003 and cost 38 million rand to build. The Nelson Mandela Bridge was recognized as being an outstanding civil engineering achievement by the South African Institute of Civil Engineers, according to South African Tourism. We pay cash for videos. WhatsApp 060 011 021 1. This is Leah for the South African. Please subscribe for more news updates.